Okay, so as you can see here, we have the 4100U info alarm is back from Simplex. It was sent out, I don't remember how long ago, and I got it back with new labeling, with new labels, and new programming. See, the labels are in a different typeface, ones that I sent to them. And these were repaired, the two holes. Those are 59 cents each because they were just the dummy plates. As you see, it's in company colors, gold and black. And for some reason I wound up with more troubles than I started with. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can take a look inside. So you can see it's pretty much the same, except it was cleaned. The plates were replaced. And of course you can see this. It still works. This still works. Or not. That's manual evac. Shutdown, fan shutdown, pull stations disable, panel bezel disable, lamp test. And I have to get it reprogrammed with the messages because the messages are no longer on here. So I've got to figure that out. And as you can see, it's in my room now. It is not hooked up right now. It has one speaker hooked up, which is out in the hallway, but is not being put up because we just fixed the entire house up. And I put the screen back up, of course. I got a little bored, but that's off topic. For some reason, when I came back, it says the IDNet class A is abnormal and that the card is missing, but the card is clearly in there. I don't know what's wrong. They fixed it up, but I don't know what they did to it to make it say that there's some problems with it. But, yeah, I've been trying to find more buttons to put in here. But since we have the EST360, I don't think that would be a possibility or a wise investment on our end. Also, I never realized that the password was written inside the door. I never knew that. I actually just saw that just now. But I already knew all the default codes anyway, because it's basically almost the same as EST3. Almost, not exactly, but the numbers are different, but it's basically the same way. It's also in the manual, so. And, yeah, that's basically it. I mean, there's nothing really exciting except for the new labels, which I love. And so I'm just going to close it. Those are all my fire alarm maintenance keys on a lanyard that I found laying somewhere. And my stylus for my iPod, my lighting system controller, my G-Bar or Genius Bar light that I use to check the inside of audio ports to see if the MP3 player is damaged by water, which mine is actually. I have to get a new one. I'm probably going to get an iPod Touch 64GB. And which I'm actually probably have to go get tonight because my dad is leaving tomorrow for Houston, Texas, my home state. So, yeah, that is it.